Hi guys, we have this Xiaomi Self-Install Smart Lock that promises the keyless entry, smart features and a DIY installation process. But is it actually as easy to install as Xiaomi claims? Let's just try to find that out in today's video. Now, one of the biggest advantages of this smart lock is its convenience. Unlike many of the smart locks that require the professional installation, this model is designed to fit over the compatible existing locks. That makes the setup much faster and less intimidating. Now, you will also get multiple unlocking methods, including the app control, the passcodes, temporary access codes, and in some of the versions, you will also find the fingerprint recognition. That means you can stop worrying about carrying the keys everywhere. Now, another feature that you are going to definitely appreciate is the remote management system. You can check the lock status, you can receive the activity notifications, and even manage access directly with the help of your phone. Though there are some of the things that you need to keep in mind, like the self-install part depends heavily on your existing door and the lock's compatibility. So if your hardware doesn't match the Xiaomi's requirement, the installation may not be as simple as expected. We should also know that some of the features often work best when these are paired with Xiaomi's ecosystem. So the experience may vary depending on your setup. So if you want the affordable way to add the smart access to your home without any major installation work, I can definitely say that this can be a strong option that you can try. So I hope this review helped you out. Thank you.